Welcome campers, so welcome to Camp Victoria. So we are going to do something fun to count down the days to summer. So each of you have your own copy of this slideshow in your Google Classroom. So go check your Google Classroom by clicking on the green chalkboard in the right corner of your computer screen on the browser. And then open our classroom and you should see an assignment that says camping on it. So, welcome to Camp Victoria. Meet your counselors, Malibu and Miss Barrett. Attention campers. Before we begin our camp out, build a tent somewhere where your family would be okay with you building a tent or a fort. For camping, you will need this fort or this tent for 5 days. Use chairs, pillows, blankets, or whatever you'd need to build your workspace for the week. Dress the part. Wear what you would wear if you were camping, if you went camping. So a flannel, a bandana, boots, or even pajamas. Send pictures to your teacher to be featured on our classroom website. Okay, so send me pictures of you in your fort or tent doing your learning. This is an optional thing, but I really encourage you to have fun with it since we're not together in school by the end of the year, since there's 5 days left of school. And I want you to send me pictures of you being at Camp Victoria. Okay, so there will be a different task each day, a fun task for you to fill out on your Google slide. So this is your Google slide. Each of you have your own copy. But make sure you check out each day. So don't go forward to day 2. I'll show you there's a slide that says day 1 on it. Don't go forward to day 2 until tomorrow. Okay? So I'm not exactly in my camping gear today, but I will be wearing a flannel and I'll dress up for the part. Okay, so you can use this virtual campfire to set the scene. So you can click here to watch a campfire. Day 1, so this is your task for today. So you will follow the slides. I'm not going to do them out loud for this video because I want you to see them. But you will follow the slides until it says day 2. Okay, do not go past the slide because this is what you will do tomorrow. Okay, so this is something extra and it's optional, but it is fun to do. So if you have some extra time, check to see what Camp Victoria's tasks are for you for today and the rest of the school year. So have fun with it. Send me your pictures. I would love to see them.